Hi, I'm Steve Glass with Performance Supply, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about air boxes. I hate to see a sled come in and just have like a piece of Scotch-Brite pad stuck on the top of their air filter to keep the snow out, even though it probably is doing something. Try to stick with proper, correct brand ones for your machine. These are both off Polaris. It's a high-density foam. It'll probably let a lot more air in than a piece of Scotch-Brite, but it keeps the snow out of your motor. If you don't have a filter on, or if your filter's got a hole in it, you get snow dust into your air box, it gets sucked through into your motor, it washes all the oil off your cylinders, and you scores the cylinders up really badly. You can always use a pod filter. Some guys like to use these pods if they have their air boxes off, but I think leaving the stock air box on is important because it stabilizes the air under the hood. You get even air to both carburetors. If you're running a pod, you could have air blowing by, sucking air out, or you could even have air swirling around and getting forced into one carburetor, causing a lean condition on one side and a rich condition on the other side. So I like to use a factory air box with the correct filter, not a Scotch-Brite pad. Thank you.